Welcome to Titan Tech. Today, we're heading into the wild with fearless lumberjacks showing off insane skills. And maybe a bit of luck, too. Let's get into it. The crew thought they had everything under control, but that tree had a mind of its own. What a wild moment. Well, at least the tree didn't hit the house. But the shed? That's a whole other story. Oh no, goodbye, Jeep. Top skills. If you think tree care is just about trimming branches, think again. Pollarding and coppicing offer so much more, and they've been vital in maintaining landscapes for generations. From the sound of the chainsaw to the crack of the trunk, you can tell they know exactly what they're doing. Smooth and steady.
He's coming this way. Everybody run!
You couldn't have predicted that.
Tree fell this way. Tree fell on us.
This is why tree felling near infrastructure should be left to the pros. 1 second you're chopping, the next you're calling the power company.
Dude, it took out the power lines. No. Yes, it did.
Wow.
People underestimate how technical tree removal is. It's not DIY. It's a precision job for real pros.
Oh God. So
All he can do is just that one. Make it full.
This is why professionals use ropes, helmets, chaps, and a spotter. Gravity doesn't forgive mistakes. That split-second miscalculation turned a textbook operation into a heart-stopping moment. Professionals feel it too. Timber straight into the roof. Nature just filed a demolition request. A pro with a plan costs less than a DIY disaster. Every single time. That tree just turned into a home wrecker. That tree didn't miss. It went straight for the high voltage jugular.
Hands up!
Honestly, that's the closest you can come to a tree slap without ending up in the ER. It took seconds for the storm to bring it down, but hours of work to lift it off. One wrong move, and it's not just the branch coming down. When you're helping a neighbor, but the tree has different ideas about the fall,
I got that on video! I got that!
oh my gosh. Another tree down, another victory for Mother Nature's cleanup crew. This one was a real banger. That is a powerful chainsaw. Hurricane Sandy left its mark, but this tree cutter's bravery nearly turned into a horror story.
Oh my God!
Leave it to the pros.
Why are you gasping already? Well, they're pulling, so let's hope for the best, or else my fence is gonna be Go, run! Well, there goes my fence.
Oh my God, if that tree falls over, there's trouble.
The power of that storm is unreal. You can almost hear the tree groaning before it crashes.
That's bad. Yeah, look at that.
When your goal is to knock down a tree with just your legs, good luck with that. Wow, a redwood down. The tree had other ideas.
Here we go. I bet it falls and hits our fence. $20. Bet what you think it's gonna do in the comments.
Whoa, that tree had other plans. Thought it was going one way, but nope, straight into the surprise zone. That tree made a bold move and almost crashed into the neighbor's house. Talk about a close call. Right away, I knew he was a skilled arborist. It was the way he wore his hat. Oh my gosh! Nice! What else do you expect? The tree really did a Mr. Incredible move. When you try to control a tree's fate, but it decides to take matters into its own hands. Oh no. Cutting a tree down like this? Not only dangerous, but totally unprofessional. At least you got a treehouse. Well, that's one way to make your truck branch out. Unfortunately, not the best way. One gust too strong, and that tree just surrendered. Those power lines never stood a chance. And that's why forest workers say, you never know what's living inside. That's not trimming. That's tree surgery with a lightsaber.
Coming down now.
Who needs a measuring tape when you've got nerves of steel? Well, at least they don't have to trim that part of the fence anymore.
Oh, Dad! Oh, shit!
Right? I mean, fire plus chainsaw feels like a terrible combo. I'm curious if he thought it was safer to bring it down before the fire spread. But still, it's risky business.
Both piping them.
Talk about a challenge. Felling several trees at once is no easy task, but the 562 XP makes it look effortless. What a machine. Enjoyed the ride? Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.